What's going on, everybody? This is Patrick from Porter's Unboxings, as you know. And guys, I just got back from New York with my Bills gear on, with my lanyard that I'm gonna change my work tag in out of. But I just came home from New York with some packages, guys. Fragile. And also one from somewhere. So let's find out what this one is. Actually, this one came in later. So after I eat McDonald's snack wrap or during it, I can watch SummerSlam finally, because I'm home, everybody! But we got here... Oh, yes. Let's go. We have got right here for you, ladies and gentlemen, AEW Double or Nothing from May 25th, 2025. You got Hangman, Will Ospreay, Kenny Omega. Oh, here we go. The Ops and Willow Nightingale, Kenny Omega, Swerve Strickland versus the Death Riders and the Young Bucks. The Patriarchy, or the Fargon versus the Don Callis family. Nigel McGuinness and Daniel Garcia versus FTR. Ricochet versus Mark Briscoe in a stretcher match. What did I miss? And then you got Will Ospreay versus Hangman Adam Page for the Owen Hart Cup. So here's what the inside looks like. I am hot. It is hot where I live, people. But here's the back of it. Here's the front of it again. And now let's get into this package. So we got AEW Double or Nothing from 2025. We have got here looks in pretty good shape, actually. So we got Cyber Sunday from 2006. So now I have completed my 2006 collection. From November 5th, 2006, we got DX versus Rated RKO. Jeff Hardy versus Carlito for the IC title. DX versus Rated RKO with the special guest referee Eric Bischoff. Big Show versus John Cena versus King Booker. Versus King Booker for the World Heavyweight title. And guys, let's check the disc artwork real quick. It could use some work, but it comes with insert. Let's go, baby. So we got Cyber Sunday 2006. Then we got one more package. We have got the Karrion Kross Look at that shine, guys. Look at that. Life is Fighting by Kevin Robert Cross. And then on the back here, you got some good photos here. Here's Cross. Versus Matt Hardy. This is kind of like the Jon Moxley book. Mox. Come on. There we go. I might watch SummerSlam tomorrow. I don't know. Still need to eat and do all that. I think that's Trick Williams. I'm not sure who that is. No, that's not Trick. There's Scarlett. This book is like 235 pages. But yeah. So we got the Life is Fighting book. I think Karrion Kross just got released. I'm not sure what's going on in the world of wrestling because I haven't watched it for a week, and it is very embossed. And then we got Cyber Sunday with insert. And then we got Double or Nothing from 2025. So, this has been Patrick from Porter's Unboxings. As you know, I'm going to go eat McDonald's. And guys, I am out. Peace. It is so good to be back in my room. So, I'm out. Peace.